From powering your heavy-duty equipment to charging your essential devices, Tomahawk inverter generators have got you covered. Watch this quick startup guide to power your world. Begin by carefully opening the box, making sure all parts are included. To begin fueling, remove the oil maintenance cover on the left side of the generator and remove the oil filler cap to check the dipstick. If this is your first time using the generator, fill the oil tank to the upper limit with SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil, then reinstall the oil filler cap and cover securely. To connect the generator's quick start system, remove the panel on the opposite side of the generator and connect the battery wire to start the system, and then replace the maintenance cover securely. Next, remove the fuel cap on top of the generator and fill to the upper level with unleaded gasoline with a pump octane rating of 86 or higher. Then reinstall the fuel cap securely. To start the generator, disconnect any tools or appliances from the outlets. For a cold start, move the choke lever to the closed position. If the engine's already warm, the choke can remain in the open position. Confirm that the eco mode switch is set to the off position and the main switch is set to on. Hold the top handle securely and pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance, then pull briskly. If the choke was closed, gradually open it as the generator warms up. Once the generator's operating smoothly, connect your devices to the proper outlets. As your generator runs, it will charge the battery of the electric start system, allowing you to use the electric start on the generator's second use. To use the electric start, confirm that the eco mode switch is set to the off position and the main switch is set to on. Then press the start button on the generator panel or the on button on the remote control. When you're finished with the generator, disconnect your devices and let the generator run for a few minutes without a load. Then move the main switch to the off position. For equipment guides, manuals, and more, scan the QR code to access the Tomahawk Resource Center. We recommend to familiarize yourself with the generator's user manual. It contains essential information on safety precautions, maintenance guidelines, and more. And for more tips and tricks, click subscribe today.